Good morning, happy Thanksgiving. So we are currently prepping the veggies to put inside the turkey. I'm gonna take the herbs and make a little bundle. Ta-da! Okay, so now this stuff is going to go inside the turkey. I'm gonna roughly chop pretty much everything. Okay, so I didn't film me taking the turkey out of the package because I thought that was gonna be gross. I'm trying to get it as dry as possible because people online said that would make the skin nice and crispy. And now we're gonna lift the skin. And you want to be gentle so you don't break the skin. So I'm putting some butter under the skin. We're gonna put our bundle and our veggies. So now we're gonna pour some chicken broth on top. Next, we're gonna make a tent with some aluminum foil. And now we put it in the oven. Okay, so since it's done cooking like to a safe temp, I'm gonna leave the temp oil off, increase the oven to 425 and cook it for like 10 to 15 more minutes. Check it, make sure the skin gets nice and crispy, and then we're done. All right, so there she is. I'm so proud of this. I hope it tastes as good as it looks. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.